Hey guys, hey, welcome to another episode of the Film Life Vlog. Hey, I'm so glad you guys joined me. As you can see here, I'm in the basement all by myself here in this home tonight because I'm here to visit this home. You guys know that we have another home that we live in where we work in Fort McMurray, but this is our original home and I'm here to visit it, to keep up with the house, maintenance and all of that. Now I love being in the basement. This space is so wonderful. In there is where I usually work from. That was my old studio. And right over here is my VHS and DVD collection, at least some of it. The rest of my collection is actually down here for movies and DVDs. And I just happen to be by myself. So tonight I want to show you guys my setup here for developing film, and I have something really special to show you guys, so let's get to it. This is where all the magic happens, guys, and the center of attraction is that unit right there, which is my Isotemp bath. And this thing has been such a lifesaver. Now, prior to me acquiring this, whenever I did color film developing, I always had to use a thermometer and adjust the temperature coming from the tap, make sure that it's the right temperature. Ever since I got this unit, this thing does all the work for me. Temperature is actually set. All I do is just turn it on, put my developer, my Blix solution in there, and just let it warm up to the desired temperature. And it just makes my work so much easier. So I'm just gonna show you guys some of the features of this particular bath, which I really love. So taking a closer look, there are two knobs right here. This one here is a temperature control knob, and this one here is the limit control. Now, in order to get the right temperature, you can just toggle between these two. The temperature control will set how high the temperature should be, and the limit control sort of sets the interval between the element heating up. And using the thermometer, I was able to figure out that this is the best setting to achieve the right temperature that I need for my solutions. And as you can see, it also has a plexiglass lid, which you can lift up this way or on the side here. Now, this unit is a Fisher Scientific brand. It's actually made for like actual labs, to keep lab samples at a certain temperature that you desire. Now, the power switch is right here. I'm gonna switch this unit on. When I do, notice that this turns green. That's the temperature control. The temperature control turns green because it shows me that it's heating up the water. When it gets to the desired temperature, this light is going to switch to this, and that's the limit control. So you will find that the light will toggle between these two right here. Now that I've turned it on, I'm just going to go ahead and put in my developing solution. So let's do that. This is my developing solution here. It's not ideal to have air sitting on top of it like this. Lately I've been having issues with my Patterson tank, developing tank, this one right here. It's been leaking around where this red part joins this black part here. It's just been leaking just around that area, and so I lost quite a bit of developing solution, but I'm hoping that it has not affected the chemicals too much, because the air reacts with the chemicals and causes it to lose its effectiveness or potency, I guess. So what I'm gonna have to do about that this time is actually increase the development time, just because I feel like it's not as potent as it used to be. And same thing with the Blix. As you can see, it's not full. It used to be full. It's not full anymore. But All I do is just make sure that these bottles are nice and tight, and I just put them in this tank nice and tight and just leave them in here. And this will stay in there for about 10 minutes or so, and it will reach the ideal temperature. And once it reaches the ideal temperature, I can go ahead and do my developing. So thanks so much guys for joining me on this episode. This was really a short episode. I wanted to just highlight this particular tank right there. I'm just gonna go ahead and develop the film, and that will be in another episode. I have a lot to show you guys, a lot of film that I have shot during this quarantine period, and I want to show that to you guys. Next episode, actually, I will be showcasing my new developing tank. It's the Omega type tank. It's not the Patterson tank, and I'm going to show the difference between the Omega type tank, how to load film into that one versus the Patterson tank. Please like and subscribe and share this video. Just interact with this video to help me out. That would be very much appreciated. I hope you have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe.